Hey there, my friend. Guess what I'm doing today? I'm gonna do an unboxing video for the bunch of Dunkaroos that I found today. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I bet they're gonna be delicious. Oh my god. Um, so I have something special planned for the end of the video as well, so make sure you watch the whole thing. And yeah, let's open up some Dunkaroos. All right, so here we have the box of Dunkaroos that I purchased from my local ShopRite. Um, uh, I don't know if you remember the old boxes of Dunkaroos, but this is actually very different. The old one used to have the dunking kangaroo on the box and used to come as a box, an actual box full of individual packets that I think were much smaller than this. Maybe like just ever so much smaller. And I don't remember how many came in a box, but there were a lot more in a box than 6. And actually, ShopRite is selling these individually. I think it was like $1.37 plus tax or so for each of them. So it's very different from the old Dunkaroos, but they still look delicious, and I am very excited to dunk on into them. Okay, so let's open this up. Oh, look at those delicious Dunkaroo cookies. All right, now for the best part. Oh man, look at that delicious Betty Crocker frosting. It's definitely different from when I was a kid. I think the rainbow sprinkles were much smaller and actually sprinkles. These look chunky. Let's see. And dunk. All right. Here it comes. Let me flip the camera around so you guys can see me. Hello. Here's the dunk. You can see it's the same chunk. Oh, that's so good. Oh, it tastes so bad for me. Oh, but it's so good. Oh, man. Oh, yummy. Oh, so good. I'm gonna have another one. So, like I said, I got these at my local ShopRite. Sorry for talking with my mouth full. So good. All right. I got them at my local ShopRite. I'm not sure if they are anywhere else. I will do some research and I will add it to the end part of this video. So, yeah, I'm going to go do some research and then I'll be back to you guys. See ya. All right, my friends, so I'm back. I've done a little bit of searching online and a little bit of research of my own, going to stores, trying to see if I can find them. I have not found them anywhere else besides Amazon.com, and Amazon is trying to sell them for a buttload of money. So I would just try and find them at a local ShopRite, if you have one in your city, state, or country. If you do not, I have come up with a handy dandy substitution, you could say. So let me show you what I've got going on. Okay, so the Dunkaroos state right on the package that they are vanilla cookies with vanilla frosting with rainbow sprinkles. Now, I found this to be accurate, but like I said before, they were not actually sprinkles like they were in the original packaging. What we have here appears to be the Betty Crocker rainbow chip frosting, which is actually one of my very, very favorite frosting of all time. It's a vanilla frosting, and I think these are supposed to be like little colorful chocolate chips. I cannot find any description of what they are actually made of, but they are delicious. So I found some beautiful and delicious Betty Crocker rainbow chip frosting. Now, a very funny story about this frosting. Like I said, it is my favorite. And for the longest time, I would make tie-dyed rainbow cupcakes, and I would use this rainbow chip frosting on them. They also come with they have a rainbow chip cake mix as well. So you could do both of that if you didn't want to do colorful rainbow cupcakes or cake. So we have our delicious frosting with sprinkles. Now we need some sort of cookie. My sister-in-law actually gave me this idea to use Nilla wafers. These are, by name, a vanilla cookie. I think they're going to have a very different kind of texture, though, compared to the Dunkaroo cookie. But I thought it was worth a shot. And then something that I like that I thought maybe would go well are Teddy Grahams. Unfortunately, they don't have any plain graham cracker flavor. It's just the honey. So I went with honey. I think this is going to have more of a similar texture to the Dunkaroo cookie. See, it's like a nice crisp cookie. The Nilla wafer is going to be kind of soft, and then this has got the nice crunch. So they're going to be two very interesting flavor combinations. And I want to taste test these on screen for you. Yay! All right, let's get started. Let's open these first. Teddy Grahams. I just love Teddy Grahams. I like Nilla wafers, but I was just never a huge fan of them. Sometimes I like to dip them in like ice cream, but I don't really like eat them by themselves a lot. Okay, so now we've got our cookies. We need our frosting. Oh, there it is. It was hiding. Look at that. Oh, man. Frosting just looks always so beautiful, untouched by anything, just nice and plotted in the container. And then you have to put a spoon in there. It really messes the whole thing up. But right away, I can see that this is definitely the same kind of frosting. This frosting in the Dunkaroo container looks like it's a little bit more melted. So maybe it has something to do with the amount that's in it, the way it's sealed. Who knows, really? All right, let's test these out. Which one should I do first? All right, Nilla wafer. Okay, let's flip the camera around. Actually, we'll dunk both of them now, and then I'll flip the camera once. How's that? Dunk. Okay. Hello again. All right, so Nilla wafer first. Mm. The cookie is much softer. I taste more frosting than anything else. So either I had too much frosting on the cookie, or the taste of the cookie, the flavor, is so vanilla-y that it just blends into the vanilla-ness of the frosting. All right, so now we have our little Teddy Graham. I wish I had some water. Okay. I knew this would have a much better texture consistency. And I do taste the honey graham amongst the frosting, so that's good. But neither of them are really an exact match. So I'm going to have to do some more research and see if I can come up with something better. If you have any ideas or suggestions, I would love to hear from you. Leave it in the comment section below or send me an email, whatever works for you. And thanks for watching. Bye, guys.